You work hard, you've been doing it for years, maybe decades, and yet, when you look at your bank account, you wonder, where did it all go? Here's the uncomfortable truth. It's not what you earn that determines your wealth. It's what you do with it. And most people have habits that quietly destroy their financial future. Not because they're bad with money, but because no one ever showed them the patterns that keep them stuck. Today I'm going to show you the 8 money habits keeping you poor. Let's get into it. Habit 1, the leftover savings approach. Habit number 1 is the leftover savings approach. You tell yourself, I'll save whatever is left at the end of the month. Then the month ends, nothing is left. Here's the psychology. When savings is an afterthought, it never happens. Your brain treats spending as the priority and savings as optional. And optional things get skipped. The fix is simple. Pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck hits, move your savings out. Treat it like a bill you owe to your future self. Before you pay anyone else, pay yourself. Habit 2, no emergency fund. Habit number 2 is not having an emergency fund. Car breaks down, medical bill. What happens? You reach for the credit card. Now that $1,500 repair costs you $1,800 after interest. You're back in the debt cycle. Without an emergency fund, you're always one surprise away from going backward. And life is full of surprises. The fix, save 1 month of fundamental expenses as a starter, then build to 3 months. It's not glamorous, but it's the difference between being in control and being at the mercy of life. Habit 3, treating high interest debt like it's normal. Habit number 3 is treating high interest debt like it's just normal. Credit card debt at 20%. APR has become normalized. We carry balances. We justify it. Here's what that actually costs. $10,000 in credit card debt at 20% cost you $2,000 a year just to carry. That's money you could be investing. Instead, it's flowing out of your life permanently. The fix, high interest debt is an emergency. Treat it like one. Attack it with focus. The faster you kill it, the faster you start building in your favor. Habit 4, lifestyle inflation. Habit number 4 is lifestyle inflation. Every raise, every bonus, your spending rises to meet it. You upgrade the car, you move to a nicer place. Psychologists call this the hedonic treadmill. You adapt. Your new normal becomes whatever you have now. So the raise doesn't make you wealthier. It just raises your baseline. The fix, frees your lifestyle. When income goes up, keep your expenses the same. The difference goes into assets that grow. That's how you escape the treadmill. This video is sponsored by JoBop, a powerful way to earn consistent and residual income. If you're creating content, building a brand, or just getting started online, monetization can feel overwhelming. That's where JoBop comes in. Their affiliate program connects you with a high-converting offer you can share with your audience and earn commissions for every successful referral. What I love about it is how simple it is. You sign up, get your custom tracking links, and start promoting a real product everyone needs. No complicated tech, just a straightforward system designed to help you earn while providing real value. Whether you're on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or running a blog, this is a practical way to build an additional income stream. And the best part, you're not selling something random. You're promoting a product that everyone needs and can genuinely help people. If you've been looking for a smart way to diversify your income, this could be your move. Click the link in the description to learn more and get started. Now let's get back to the video. Habit 5, impulse buying. Habit number 5 is using spending to feel something. Tough day, buy something. Anxious, retail therapy. Here's what's really happening. You're using spending to regulate your emotions. It works, temporarily. Then the feeling fades, and you need the next thing. The fix, create a pause. Before any non-essential purchase, wait 24 hours. Ask yourself, am I buying this because I need it, or because I want to feel something? That pause breaks the cycle. Habit 6, never tracking your spending. Habit number 6 is not knowing where your money actually goes. You have a vague sense. The rest disappears into a blur of subscriptions, takeout, and miscellaneous. You can't fix what you don't measure. This isn't about guilt, it's about awareness. The fix, track every expense for 1 month. Use an app or a notebook. Most people are shocked to find they're spending $400 a month on things they barely remember. That $400 could be working for you. Habit 7, procrastinating on investing. Habit number 7 is waiting to invest. I'll start when I have more money. It's risky. Meanwhile, inflation is quietly eroding your cash. If you're not investing, your money is losing value every year. The fix: you don't need to be an expert. Start with what you have. A Roth IRA, a simple index fund. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Habit 8, following financial trends blindly. Habit number 8 is chasing what's hot. Crypto is booming, you buy at the peak. Meme stocks are trending, you jump in. This isn't investing, it's gambling dressed up as strategy. The fix: real wealth is built with boring, consistent habits. Index funds, diversified assets, a long-term plan. If you can't explain an investment to a 12-year-old, don't put your money into it. Let me leave you with this. If you recognize yourself in these habits, don't feel ashamed. Most people have them. But awareness without action is just guilt. Pick one habit, just one. Start there. If you don't track spending, track for 1 week. If you have high interest debt, make one extra payment this month. If you're procrastinating on investing, open one account this week. Small steps compound. You've worked too hard for too long to still feel like you're running in place. Your future self is counting on you to start today. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. And check the description for the Joe Bopp link. Now go break one habit. Start there.